and we'll start with the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar comes with a set of predefined tools. I can add my own tools to this by right-clicking on any tool on the ribbon and adding it to the Quick Access Toolbar. This I might do for frequently used tools. I can further customize this by clicking on the small arrow at the right-hand end of the Quick Access Toolbar and either add or remove tools from that toolbar. I can further customize this by moving the tools up or down in the Quick Access Toolbar and adding separators to group particular tools together. Here you can see the result. Additionally, I can show the Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon. It's my preference to keep it above. Let's see what else we can do to customize this interface. We'll start with the tabs. These are in a logical order, but if you would prefer, say, the Annotate tab to come right after Systems, you can click and hold it with your left mouse button, hold down the Control key, and drag that tab to a new place. Some of the panels you are able to click and drag into new positions on the ribbon, or you can drag them out into the drawing area and place them anywhere you choose. Alternatively, you can place them on a second monitor. During this set of videos, I will be dragging some of the panels onto the screen for clarity, but generally, I'll keep them in the ribbon. Next, we have the Properties palette and the Project Browser. Both of these can be dragged out into the screen or onto your second monitor to give you more real estate in your drawing area. If you hide the Properties palette, you can retrieve it by right-clicking and then clicking on Properties. Closing the Project Browser, you'll need to go to the View tab, click on User Interface, and put a check next to Project Browser. The arrangement of these panels is dependent upon the user who has logged into the computer.